Welcome to our introduction to iSpring Suite AI, your complete solution for creating online courses quickly and easily. With iSpring Suite AI, you get an array of tools, including iSpring Suite itself, which is a powerful PowerPoint-based authoring tool for courses, quizzes, role plays, and more. You also get Content Library with thousands of e-learning assets, templates, and characters, Character Builder for creating your own custom characters, and iSpring Cloud, an online cloud space for storing, sharing, and collaborating on your content. After installing iSpring Suite, you can sign into your account. When signing in with your iSpring ID, enter the email and password you use to register your trial or purchase the software. You can also sign in with your Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts. Great, you're signed in. Now, head back to iSpring Suite and choose what you want to create: a quiz or survey, a role play, a screencast, an interaction, an ebook, or an entire slide-based course in PowerPoint. You can start fresh or open a recent project right here. Here we are in the familiar PowerPoint interface, and we see a new tab, iSpring Suite. And here on the ribbon, we have everything we need to create fantastic learning content. Let's add audio narration to the slides. You can record your own voice or upload a recording. But if you want a quick and easy voiceover, our text-to-speech feature is a lifesaver. Go to the narration editor, click Audio, and then select Text-to-Speech. Choose a language and a realistic voice. Add your text, and just like that, your slide has its own instant narration. Text-to-speech is especially helpful for creating voiceovers in multiple languages. And speaking of languages, in iSpring Suite AI, you can translate your courses in no time. Just click Translation, then Translate with AI, and select the language. In seconds, your slides will be updated with the new text. Next, you can create a quiz, an interaction, a role play, or even record a screencast for your course. These elements will make learning fun and engaging. Let's add a quiz at the end of the course as a quick knowledge check for our learners. Head over to the last slide and click Quiz on the toolbar. The quiz editor pops up and you can create a new quiz. First, add some questions. Choose the type of question you want, like multiple choice. Then, type your question and add the answer choices. Be sure to mark the right answer. Switch to Slide View to adjust your quiz design. I'll move the answer block around and upload a nice background image. When you're done, click Save and return to course. Your quiz is now on the slide, and you can see it in the thumbnail view. To see your course and quiz in action, you can run a preview. As you can see, you can enjoy easy playback and smooth navigation with player controls. The course works great on any device, computer, tablet, or phone. Here's how the quiz we just created looks in action. To build beautiful courses without a designer, the iSpring Content Library is your greatest asset. Choose from thousands of stunning templates, characters, backgrounds, objects, and icons. Add a mentor character to guide your learners through the course. You can choose from real photos or illustrated characters in a variety of poses. With thousands of characters from various professions, nationalities, and age groups, you're sure to find one that fits your course. For my course, I'm going to create my own character using Character Builder. Here, you can customize your character's appearance and attire. When you're done, just add your character to the slide. I'm going to tweak mine a bit, make it larger, and shift it over. Just like this. Perfect. We're done creating our interactive course. Now it's time to publish it. You can publish it directly to your computer. You can also upload it to iSpring Cloud to have your course reviewed or enhanced by members of your team. You also have the option to publish to a learning management system, like iSpring LMS, or any other that supports standards like SCORM. Lastly, you can upload it directly to your YouTube channel. Today, I'll publish my course to iSpring Cloud, where you can easily share it with your team or customers, gather feedback, and make adjustments. Now, we name our course and choose the project we want to upload it to. You can also adjust the publish settings: player, size, quality, add a watermark, set a password for extra security, and turn on accessibility mode for screen readers. Then click Publish. Now our course is online. To view or share it, click Manage Content. Select the course, click Share, and copy the link to send it to anyone who needs access, such as coworkers, subject matter experts, or customers. In iSpring Cloud, you can also create scrollable courses and quizzes online. Check out our video on getting started with iSpring Cloud for more details. Let's quickly hop back into our project so we can upload the course to a website or blog. To do this, we need to publish it in HTML5 format. Click My Computer, select where to save it, and go ahead and click Publish. Your project will be saved to the selected folder. Now, it's ready to be uploaded online. And that's all you need to get started with iSpring Suite AI. Dive in and see what you can create.